Cryptocurrency markets are currently enjoying a rise in prices. And with that, we usually see a rise in cryptojacking or phishing related attacks that are directed at stealing cryptocurrency, as is the case with a recent phishing attack that targeted XRP. Now, XRP is a cryptocurrency similar to Bitcoin, and millions of it were recently stolen when an attacker posed as the hardware wallet Ledger. The millions of XRP, valued at close to $300,000 USD, were exchanged without any issue on a crypto exchange named Bittrex. So the core of this attack was essentially the use of a different E. The E in the name Ledger was replaced with a tailed E. That is, an E with a little tail on the bottom of it. Then a domain was bought with the fake name, and then a fake website was set up to mimic the Ledger website. So all attackers had to do at this point was email Ledger users and direct them to log into the fake website. And at the end of the day, this exposes the credentials for the Ledger users. And we're starting to see on a near weekly basis attacks on hardware wallets like Ledger and cryptocurrency users. Attacks like this are social engineering based, and while some will argue that social engineering is nearly impossible to guard against, Acronis Cyber Protect can actually aid in stopping attacks like this. Devices using Acronis Cyber Protect filter malicious URLs like the fake Ledger site and stops phishing domains so that there's never any chance of your credentials falling into the wrong hands.